Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider in your practice, when you shift the weight to a leg, there's more pressure on the leg that gains your weight. So in this case, full pressure on my right leg and essentially none, certainly none from my upper body in my left leg. I know you can't see my feet, but I've shifted my weight completely. The leg still experiences some weight from itself, but not from above, right? So that's why I say almost none, because it depends on how we're measuring. But at any rate, as I'm practicing, what I'd invite you to do for our tip is to consider the pressure that builds up in the leg that bears the weight and feel it, right? Like a pump, right? Like adding, pumping something, ratcheting the pump so the pressure builds, grows, changes, right? And then practice feeling that pressure release when you shift. Is the work when you shift done from the unweighted leg, from somewhere in the upper body, in the mind, in the dantian? Is it from the weighted leg that pushes? Is it some combination? Is it something I haven't mentioned? So consider feeling the growing pressure in the leg. Maybe you'll feel it in the foot. I keep saying leg. Maybe it's more readily sensed in the sole of the foot, for example. But feel that, and then also feel that weight, when it shifts, is a release of that pressure. And what does that do? What does it feel like? What does that experience? Is there a function and a value? So thank you. Enjoy that. And thank you. Thank you. Thank you. They say Tai Chi is good for people stressed and under pressure, but pressure's not bad or good. It's just one of the ways that things can be. There's a density, a crowding there, but that's not all bad. 10 million butterflies sounds like a lot, but man, that would be magical. Thanks.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.